out on the KTM 500 Venture spec. Going to test this Neo drone out, see if you can do some follow mode, some direction tracking. Did direction tracking this morning and flew into my kid's face, so see if we can sort that out. And try some open stuff, then some single, and see how it can go in the tight stuff. Got this little travel case for him, so it packs up nice and small in your backpack. And put some fluoro on there for when I lose it in the trees. Alright, first up I'm going to do a follow to see how it goes, sort of slow speed, 20 k's an hour along these tracks here. I'm going to get it to follow me through this little creek down here, out the other side, and then on the other side I'm going to try some direction with it out in front of me. Track up the road here didn't go too well. It was flying too low and just sort of skimming across the top of the grass until it was in the grass. So I'll try and set it a bit higher and see if it works. I'm not having much luck with the direction track. So you see that video then, I had it on direction track up this hill and it just stayed there as I rode towards it. I'm not having luck with the direction track, I don't know why. I've just ridden down this little creek. I'm going to try it on a spotlight mode. See if it will spotlight me as I ride out of here. I'm going to try putting the phone, do it on the phone, do it in the backpack, see if we can record the sound of the bike too. Alright, there's going to be a good challenge for it here. We've got some uphill single track, so I'd be pretty impressed if it can follow through that. So he keeps losing me in the single track. I'm going to try to put it on close and see how she goes. It is pretty tight through here though, eh? single truck follow is not that good, but it's pretty tight in there. I think they're getting the trees confused as it gets in tight, trying to follow you close. It has a go, but then it just loses you. So I'm going to have a go at this direction track again, out in the open, in the flat, see if I can get it to work. I tried direction out the side instead of out the front. So I did that direction track along the side a lot better. Just gonna have a play now, just some more sort of four-wheel drive size tracks instead of single trail, and just take it slow and see how she goes. Alright, one more little go at a single. Put it on close. It's a bit flatter here. See how she goes.
Let me sing a song for you. Let me spin a tale that's true. A story about the days of gold. A story more than ages old. like green, falling leaves of wisdom from a queen. Let me sing a song for you. Let me spin a tale that's true. A story about the days of sun, the days before the ocean won.
Yeah, so I think that's been a good little test for the Neo this afternoon. It's definitely tested its capabilities. It doesn't seem to like direction track in front of you for some reason, but I can live without that. Direction tracks to the side, all right. Man, a single track through the trees there, really well. Obviously open stuff it can do, so it's definitely a good little drone to just whip out of the backpack. You don't even have to take your gloves off, don't have to worry about satellites and controllers or nothing. Just whip it out, press go. Don't even take your helmet, gloves off, and it's following you. And you can catch it back on the bike. Don't even have to get off the bike. Catch it, throw it in the backpack and keep riding.